Capitalist, anarchist mindset reddening. Need what? Fuck meds, all dead, everything. These cats on that, all hail petty things. Ready with the cheap, I'ma beat them in they sleep. As soon as the door open, they hitting the flow, hoping to get to the front row. My shows are so lightning. Wherever we go, the team steadily grows, man. Who knows? They figure we do it right, but no one gives a fuck about shit. So fuck your shit, we fuck shit up, cause shit's fucked anyway. Shit is running to the ground.
I know, right?
I don't wanna think about it, I just wanna get down.